Our planet is full of beauty and wonder, but also mysteries that defy explanation. From strange noises in the sky to bizarre events that scientists still argue about, today we're diving into 5 of the strangest things that have ever happened on Earth. Some of these you may have heard of, but others will leave you speechless. Let's begin. The Sky Trumpets. Imagine standing in your backyard when suddenly the sky begins to rumble, not like thunder, but like the deep blast of a trumpet echoing across the heavens. This exact thing has been happening all around the world, from Canada to Germany to the Philippines. People describe it as a metallic horn, so loud entire neighborhoods come outside to listen. Some thought it was the end of the world. Scientists have tried to explain it, maybe shifting tectonic plates, atmospheric pressure, or even trains carrying vibrations through the ground. But here's the problem. No explanation fits all cases. The sounds were recorded in different countries by different people under completely different conditions. And here's the unsettling part. These noises continue to be reported even today. Some say it's the Earth itself groaning. Others whisper it's a sign of something bigger, something we don't understand. The disappearance of Lake Cachet II. In southern Chile, there's a glacial lake called Lake Cachet II. It holds more than 10 billion liters of water, the size of thousands of swimming pools. But one morning in 2012, locals woke up to a shocking sight. The entire lake was gone. Where did it go? The water had vanished overnight, leaving nothing but a massive dry crater. Scientists discovered that a hidden ice dam beneath the lake had melted, draining all that water into underground tunnels. But here's where it gets strange. This wasn't the first time. The lake has disappeared multiple times in history, and each time it mysteriously refills itself, only to vanish again years later. It's like nature has a giant bathtub with a plug that someone keeps pulling. But who or what is pulling it? The hum of Taos. For decades, residents of Taos, New Mexico, have complained about a strange sound, a low-frequency hum that seems to come from nowhere. People describe it as a constant droning noise, like a diesel engine running in the distance. The oddest part? Not everyone can hear it. Only a small percentage of people seem to be affected. Scientists, engineers, even the government have investigated. They tested radio frequencies, sound waves, and even geological activity, but no clear source was ever found. Some say it's a mass psychological effect, while others suspect secret military technology. For those who hear it, the hum is more than just annoying. It causes sleepless nights, headaches, and in some cases, people have even moved away from the town entirely to escape it. The mystery remains unsolved, and new reports of the hum have popped up in places all around the world. The dancing plague of 1518. In the summer of 1518, a woman in Strasbourg, France, walked into the streets and began dancing. No music, no celebration, just dancing, non-stop. Within days, dozens of people had joined her. Within weeks, the number grew to hundreds, and they couldn't stop. They danced for hours, for days, and eventually for weeks. Some collapsed from exhaustion, while others reportedly died from strokes or heart failure. Local authorities were so confused, they actually hired musicians, thinking the dancers just needed to dance it out. Instead, that made it worse. Historians have debated this bizarre dancing plague for centuries. Some think it was mass hysteria. Others believe it was caused by toxic mold in bread, which can trigger hallucinations. But no explanation fully makes sense. One thing is clear. This was one of the strangest outbreaks of uncontrollable human behavior in history. The mystery of the wow. Signal. On August 15th, 1977, astronomer Jerry Amon was scanning deep space with a giant radio telescope in Ohio. Suddenly, a powerful signal appeared on his monitor. It lasted for 72 seconds, strong, unusual, and unlike anything detected before. Eamon was so stunned that he circled it on the datasheet and wrote one word in the margin. Wow. Since then, it's been known as the WOW. Signal scientists tried to trace it back. It came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. Some believe it was just a natural space phenomenon, but others believe it might have been a message from an intelligent civilization reaching out across the stars. What makes it even more mysterious is that the signal was never detected again. For decades, astronomers have searched, hoping to hear it one more time. But it remains a one-time event, a cosmic whisper that may never be repeated. And those are 5 of the strangest mysteries our planet and the universe has ever given us. From vanishing lakes to haunting noises in the sky, it seems the more we learn, the more questions we're left with. Which of these stories gave you chills? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe, because we've got even stranger stories coming your way.